All right, guys, we got a dilemma. I've checked all the fuses. I looked at all the grounds. Those are good. My battery has charged, but when I try to turn the car on, I get nothing on the dash as far as it starting. So I've already replaced the starter, or I checked the starter, better said, and that's working. So I'm gonna go ahead, because it is old anyway, I need to do it. It's quick. I'm gonna change the ignition switch. So I've removed this piece. You just take out the bottom, and here, this little shifter, just pull straight out. Let's see what we got here. All right, go down. Just pull it. And this piece, normally there are no screws, even though those are there. Just pull that down. And I'm gonna put it all right here. Okay. Now this is gonna come next. Probably should have this off. Just pulls off. This little clip here. Oh, I need two hands, but I think so. Yeah, I'm gonna need two hands. I think I'm gonna pull these tabs out, and I'll tell you that's true. No need to pull the tab. I just use this pick. I'm just gonna pull down on here. There's this little tab right there, and that just releases, and then you pull. So, yep, just like that. So that's released. Route it through. Okay. Now my boot. I'll push it up here. Now I'm gonna need my pick again. Put my key in. I'm gonna turn it to the crank position, right? I'm gonna press down on that little hole, and that should release it. So I'll tell you if that works. Yeah, so you turn the key, hold it in the crank position, press down. You can use an Allen, you can use a pick like I used, and it just releases it, and you just push out right here. So, bam. Disconnect this depth control module. Here's the harness. I just remove this here. So it just goes in here, press the tab down, comes out, no problem. And now I'm going to use that same pick and use the tabs to release here, so I could just get these knocked out. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna need two hands. But just to show you, it's this tab right here, one right here, and there's one right there. So just on the sides, you'll see them. You can't miss them. Release them, and that should just come out just like that. Bam. Next is to remove this piece, and I'm gonna see if I can do it with two. Dang it, there's a tab right here. I'll just tell you after. See that little lock right there? So I'm gonna try to press that in and then push out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. There we go. See, worked out. Ignition switch. Let's see, I'm gonna get this red tab out here. Let's see if I can do it. If you have I always get a dental pick tools. You'd be surprised how handy they come in. So just gotta get this red tab out. I'm gonna use two hands. Let's see what happens. I use this solid side and just wedged, and see, it just came out like that, right? All right. Dang it. There we go. See, he's out. Just pushed. All right. See those tabs? See them pointing it there? Here's gonna go. My screwdriver was too big. I would normally use it. I'm just gonna get this, poke in here, comes down, then poke in there, and it'll come down. I think I need two hands because you gotta be pushing while you take it down. So, see, it's almost coming down now. Okay, I'll just do that. Victorious again. Just see that blue tab there? Just use my pick there. And if you look, I'll take it out now. There's a white tab right there. See that white tab? You just press on that with your pick, and that comes out. So this is the ignition switch right here. So I'm gonna compare this with the one I got from AutoZone. I did order one online, but it was the same price as AutoZone. So I was like, you know what? Instead of waiting, I'll just do it now. Okay. They look the same to me. Differences of, no. It's actually opposite. Actually, no, it's the same. Okay, yeah, it's the same. And it's in the right position so that when I put it back, it aligns properly. Notice how the gears are all the way to the right, right? So if you maybe you wanted to reuse it, if for whatever reason, you want to press, make sure that the gear selector is all the way to the right like that, if you were going to reuse it. But obviously I'm not, so no problem. So next spot, you want to grab a screwdriver. I wasn't use this one, but it's not big enough. Get a bigger one. And you're going to get this in the right position so that you can put the ignition switch back. So let me grab a big screwdriver. But clean off a core ball really, really good. And all I'm going to do is stick it in. And okay. I'm going to go to the left, stick it in, go to the left all the way till it stops. It should look like when you're done, the gears that is. Notice how it's like that. Slide the ignition switch back in there. Bam. All right, so once you got your screwdriver, or once you got that back in, you'll push this in there. And you'll go all the way to the right. Once it's all the way to the right, you want to go ahead and keep going. Give it some spring tension, and then back out. And that'll make sure that it's in the right position when you go in. So this hole here, and twist. So hold there and twist. So we're good there. Get the connector connected. I think it's tricky with one hand, I tell you. So let's get this connector connected. Move this out the way. And there we go. Push that red tab in. And voila. And push in. Oh, she's lined up. That looks about right to me. Yep, right about there. Reconnect the piece to it. There we go. All right. Make sure she doesn't come out. Yep, she's good. Now put the key back in. So this one, oops, I'm gonna lower this real fast. There's a little tab. See that tab right there? You point to it. This one, you gotta line that up with that little groove that's right here. Push it in. And, oops, sorry about that, wrong one. This one. All right, yeah, I was wrong, sorry. So you gotta line this tab up with that groove. And push it in, turn back, and we're good. Not bad. The upper cover, boot, the whole gear. Let's see, you get the holes for the tabs here. There we go. Boot goes, kind of lines up in here. You'll see that. Put the bottom piece on. And design. And this is pretty easy. I mean, you just look for the tabs and you're done. Together. Oops. Let's see. That one needs to go together. Yep. Just fit together. And then last but not this. Just goes right in, sticks in, comes out. And you're done. Ignition switch, done. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna check to see if it works. If not, I'll keep going, but I'll leave it in the comments and let you know how it worked out. But that was pretty easy.